as you prepare for your first year at university, it's easy to get overwhelmed by all the things you need to do before your term starts. To help ease the burden, we have put together a list of practical things to do before you land in your dream country. Hello, I'm Sanskriti, your study abroad buddy from a land far, far away. And today I'll be talking about the checklist for UK. So let's get started with our checklist. The first and most important thing for every student traveling to UK is the essential documents. Make sure that you keep all of these documents with yourself while you're traveling to UK. Our second most important thing is sorting your finances. While this may not seem as one of the most exciting tasks to do, but it's important that you get your finances sorted. Make sure that you do it before Freshers Week so you can budget out your coming academic year. The first step to do is to set up a student bank account. Many of the major bank accounts offer these with added incentives, such as subscription to an online reading library or a dining out, that too with discount. Feel free to explore University Living Student Bank Account service, which allows you to open bank account in a matter of minutes while being in your home country, and that too with exclusive student offers and benefits. The thing to do is to pack your basic essential clothes. I know it's kind of a tough job to keep the right kinds and right amount of clothes. We all love clothes, even I do, and I always wear back on my vacation. So it's important that you pack your basic and routine clothes, and it might prove to be sufficient. And you can also pack some party wear because there are a lot of party and college events that you might need to attend. Pack only your essential because you can't take your whole house with you. Every kg matters, not just the weight but also the extra baggage. I suggest you explore a room essential kit or a bedding kit before you move to the new country. It saves a lot of time and also saves extra baggage cost. University Living has a custom-made essential pack for you that you can order before you reach. The fifth thing to do is to find a student job in UK. So it's important that before you leave your home country, you should update your CV. This is because the part-time job provides you with some extra cash and helps you in learning multiple skills. If you have your CV handy, your university will provide you with ample of opportunities for employment. Now, few other things that you can do is while you have started studying, you can book an appointment with a career advisor or tutor, and they can guide you all about the UK education system, which might make the learning process more easier. Since UK has a very complicated weather, it's raining, there's heat, light, sun, dust, everything, so you can pack accordingly. And it rains all around the year in few parts of UK, so it's advisable to pack an umbrella beforehand. So get ready and pack all your stuff to experience the best life while studying in UK. Also remember to stay connected with University Living channel for more such videos. This is Sanskriti signing off. See you all in the next video.